Morning, kids. It's about let's see, 5:30 in the morning. The baby's still a little bit sick. She's been coughing and wheezing all night, so I'll be having to do this work. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go through parts of the homework. I'm just not going to go over the problems that are on Schoology to turn in. So, just taking a look at the number 2, because number 1 is going to be on there, and that should be part times part. Is equal to part times part. Just like right here, I'll go ahead and use the highlighter for this. We're going to take this component times this one. Then we're going to take this component times this one, and then we're going to solve for x. Let me see, hold on. Before I do that, I'll go ahead and at least turn on the calculator because I might be a little bit lazy on my calculations today. So we have 5, oh wait a minute, it does all that. Put it back on pen. Alright, there we go. So we have 5x is equal to 8 times x minus 6. So this is going to be 8x. No, baby, don't touch that. Let's see, minus 48 equal to 5x. Subtract 5x from both sides, so it leaves us with 3x, but we get 0 on this side. Then we're going to add 48 to both sides, so it's going to be 48 equal to 3x. And so that gives us 16 equal to x, if we do the mathematics correctly. Let me just check my work. 48 divided by 3. Yes, it is 16. Alright. Let's go ahead and move on to the next. This particular problem, same thing. So this is going to be 2 times x is equal to 5 times 5. But you'll notice they're asking for r, so we're going to be doing some work with that. So 25 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. That's going to be 12.5. And then right here, since that's what x is equal to, we're going to add that component together and add it together to get that entire diameter, because that's the diameter right there, since it's a chord going through the center of the circle. So that's 14.5. That's what it's equal to our diameter. Our radius is half of that, which is 7.25. So our answer is 7.25. Number 4 is part of the homework, so we don't do that one. Okay, so now we have 24 times 24. Because remember, on these particular components, we have to go ahead and take this, the length on the outside, times the entire length, which is 24 times 24. My daughter just hit that. That's going to be equal to 12 times x plus 12, because remember what I said. We are going to take this component right here, which is outside of the circle, times the entire length of that particular chord, or that secant. All right. So this is 12x plus 144 equal to 24 times 24. 576. Sorry, baby. Alright, I'm gonna put you down. Alright, here you go. She's upset. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so where were we? So it's 576. That's a 7. We're going to subtract 144 from both sides. I'm going to do that with the calculator. So that's 432. So 432 equal to 12x. Divide both sides by 12. So let's see, divided by 12, 36. She's not happy. Okay, so number 7, it's more of the same. The entire length of this secant is 8 units, so it's going to be 3 times 8, because that's the outside right here. 3 is the outside. So then we do this again, 2 times x plus 2. So that's going to be 3 times 8 is 24. Equal to 2x plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides, 20. And divide both sides by 2. 10 is equal to my x. Alright. More of the same. So now we have this this tangent, so that's going to be the outside times the entire segment, so that's 4 times 4, equal to 2 times x plus 2, because we look at that right there. Just remember that we're going to add those two pieces together. So this is 16 equal to 2x plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides, 12, and that's equal to 2x, so x is equal to 6. The next one, we're going to be doing arcs and angles, so this time we don't have any segments to multiply by. So we take 85, which is the large arc, minus 25, which is a smaller arc, and then divide that by 2. So that's 60 divided by 2 equal to my x, so that's going to be 30 degrees. And that's it for this part component. I'm going to go ahead and post this as a separate video for the homework, so that way you get, that way if you don't want to look at this, you can go ahead and look at the other. Oh, baby, I know you don't feel good. You want to look at the camera? Look at the camera. Look at that. That's my daughter. She's like, what the heck? What the heck is this? I don't like technology. I do not like it. Okay. And then there she goes, trying to go ahead and do stuff. Alright, guys.